Hi students, welcome to the Shorthand Hub channel. This is Hari Naganand Idumudi, instructor of Shorthand. I am offering general and legal dictations for all shorthand grades. For this shorthand subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. Anyone interested in joining the Telegram group can do so by clicking the link provided in the description box. Get ready for the dictation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. The Andhra Pradesh government has attached the famous guest house of the former chief minister on the Krishna riverfront. Assets of the family and relatives of former minister have also been attached by the APCID, besides freezing their bank accounts. The guest house had been built by a famous businessman. The authorities have taken action under the Criminal Law Amendment Act of 1944 after informing the local judge. This was done in the course of investigation of cases in which the former chief minister, while he was chief minister, and another political leader, a minister in chief minister's cabinet, jointly misused their positions and committed an alleged quid pro quo, the larger Amravati scam. The investigation officer IO of the APCID intimated the same to the special judge for special police establishment and anti-corruption bureau cases about the decision for attachment of the guest house. The investigating officer attached the property following clearance from the State Home Department, which came in the form of a government order issued on May 12. The guest house was commonly known as Karakatta House. Its attachment has come as a shock to the former chief minister, as he is set on the road to become accused number 1 and another political leader, the A2, in the Amravati land scam. Originally belonging to real estate businessman, the guest house was struck in legal twists following the registration of a series of cases against it. Then chief minister and educationist turned politician, as the then minister in the TD government have been accused of misusing their official positions and indulging in quid pro quo deals. The investigating officials in these cases say the referred guest house was acquired in exchange for various favors done by the previous chief minister and educationist turned politician in the form of malpractices by altering the alignment of the CRDA master plan and the outer ring road project. It was found in preliminary investigations that all norms and rules, including the relevant laws, the guidelines of the Central Vigilance Commission, and the General fiscal regulations were flouted for this purpose by the former chief minister and others. The former chief minister and another political leader referred above were also accused of nepotism by misusing their official power to benefit their relatives and close associate. The TD chief allegedly acquired the guest house in return for ensuring huge benefits from the government to the guest house owner. On the basis of investigation, the Crime Investigation Department requested the state government to initiate the attachment procedures as per the Criminal Law Amendment Act of 1944. Accordingly, the present government issued orders as per the law after giving prior information to a local judge for the attachment of the said famous guest house built on the banks of River Krishna, officials said. Meanwhile, the APCAD attached the assets of the family and relatives of former minister besides freezing their bank accounts. These include about 75,880 square feet of lands that were registered in the names of former ministers, relatives, and alleged binamis. The properties belonging to former minister's wife and son-in-law were also among those attached by the CID. The CID investigation stated that the former chief minister accumulated huge assets under the said guest house. The alignment of the inner ring road has also been changed to benefit them. In order to increase the value of his assets, he changed the capital plan at the expense of the farmers. TD leaders bought land in the capital region in the months of June, July, and August in 2015 for 3.66 crore. The land was brought in the name of an employee in the former minister's college. It was stated. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you feel that this dictation can help you in the competitive exams, click the like button, share the video and make a remark. We are also making this passage available to you in 80, 100, 120 and 150 words per minute. For this shorthand subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. The link provided in the description box allows users to join the Telegram group. Thank you.